Featuring a sleek modern design that can accommodate most flooring solutions, as well as an innovative, easy-to-use home humidification system, Devent offers both style and comfort in a single, easy-to-install product. The installer begins by installing the flooring product until just before the vent opening. Having placed the black plastic case into the vent's opening, he then measures where he will cut the next flooring piece. He measures and cuts the space in nearly the same way as most common vents. However, instead of measuring from the opening itself, he measures from the outer metal frame. With the space for the frame measured and marked, the installer can cut the space with a table or jigsaw. The newly cut piece can be placed into position over the plastic vent case, and the metal outer frame can be stuck snugly into place. The surrounding flooring can then be installed to prepare for the pieces that will go on the other side of the vent. The next two flooring pieces surrounding the vent will be prepared in much the same way as the first. The installer will measure and mark the pieces from the frame and then cuts out the marked area. These cut pieces are then placed around the vent, and the remainder of the flooring can be installed. Devent's signature style features an inner frame that incorporates a piece of the surrounding flooring and can be used with most wood, tile, and other flooring materials. Once the surrounding flooring is installed, the piece for the inner frame can be measured and cut. Now with all the pieces cut, the vent can be assembled and glued with caulking or a similar bonding agent. The installer will first apply the bonding agent directly onto the lip of the plastic case, where the outer frame will rest. Afterwards, the pinholes are filled. Now the installer can gently slide the outer metal frame into the space, however, not too far, ensuring that it is still sticking out above the flooring. With the frame in place, the pins come next. They must also be gently placed into the pinholes, just far enough so that they sit on the glue. Finally, bonding agent is applied on the plastic within the inner metal frame, and the small cut piece is placed inside. All the gluing should be done at once to ensure it is still wet for the next step. For the final step, the installer will take an even flat object like a ruler and press down on the inner piece until it is flush with the frame, ensuring it is not pushed too deep. He will repeat this step with the outer frame, pressing until it is flush with the flooring. Finally, the inner piece is gently placed on the pins and pressed until flush with the flooring. Once at the correct height, the vent can be left alone for the glue to dry. Apart from its sleek design, Devent functions as an easy-to-use home humidifier, utilizing warm airflow to humidify the air. To refill the water basins, the homeowner simply removes the inner piece, pours water in each basin, and puts the piece back in place. Featuring a modern aesthetic, simple installation, and ease of use. Devent, air vents with a splash.